Hey rain lovers! Hope you are enjoying this fabulous rainfall with your loved ones. Let's continue the topic How to Wish Rainy Season Part 2. So let's begin. May the rains whisper secrets of serenity in your ear. Wishing you a season of misty mornings and starry nights. May the rainy season be a symphony of droplets on your roof. May the raindrops be diamonds on your window pane. Wishing you a season of snugness and warmth. May the rainy days be a canvas for your creativity. Here's to a season of cozy nights and lazy mornings. May the rain wash away your worries and bring you peace. Wishing you a rainy season filled with good books and warm tea. May the sound of raindrops be music to your ears. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more videos.